you're an investor in Kentic, which is Avi Friedman's company. He's a good friend of mine. We've become friends because we play poker together, or we're deeply familiar with each other's poker careers. We have a lot of respect for each other's gaming skills. And I'm building this new gaming company, and I've been talking to him about game design and also some engineering theses. Doesn't he believe that you basically should run your own cloud? Like nobody should be on, or not. It's not that nobody should be on the cloud, but like a lot of people shouldn't be on the cloud. Like, isn't that kind of crazy?
Well, those questions become philosophical at some point. You can look at it from those layers of abstraction, as you started saying, and at some level, the externalities define what is the correct decision for a company. What is the cost of an engineer? What is your business model? So today you have people saying, we're not going to run on Amazon because we're in a retail business and we feel we are competing with the retail side of Amazon. So we don't want to run on AWS. Okay, fair point. That's your strategy. That's your decision. You may choose to make it and run it over there. So eventually technologies we run in the real world. We run in a commercial environment where you have many externalities that define the decision that you want to make. And so there's no single right or wrong answer. But within that, there's still a very large number of degrees of freedom. It is not at all obvious that we would all be running our own operating system on an endpoint device as the right answer for Windows and Mac. That evolved because we had Bill Gates, literally a force of nature who drove that decision. The natural evolution was to have a network device. And there are very, very well-known people. I mean, Larry Ellison tried to build the network PC, and lots of people resisted that from Microsoft, who did an amazing job of execution and convinced the world that that is the right way to do it. And that became the evolution of Windows. So you have to understand that what is accepted as the correct way to do things or the default way of doing things is a combination of pure technology, force of will, luck, regulation, government. All these things come together and we end up with what is accepted as the norm.